So in today's video, we'll be doing a bit of a test and we'll be using the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the new DJI Lito X1. Now I did a video about a week ago, and if you watch any of my videos, you know this is one of my favourite places where I like flying the drones out through the doorways, return to home, and they come back in air. Now, if you saw the one I did with the Lito X1, it nearly come in, but there's some undergrowth here. So I'm going to get rid of that undergrowth because I'm sure that was probably one of the reasons why it didn't want to come in. Whereas I know the Mini 5 Pro would have come in quite easy. I am going to show you in a moment what the Mini 5 Pro can do, but I've got to get on, do a bit of gardening. Wow! Well, not perfect, but it's enough for what I want to do. Mini 5 Pro, got it all set up. I'm just going to go into settings quickly, just to check what we got. I'm going to put it on normal this time because I'm going to put on the Lito X1. I'm going to put that on normal as well because I was thinking maybe the Nifty was maybe a little bit too fast for it. So we're all ready. Let's get a drone up in the air. We've got the home point already done. We've only got 9. Okay, so we've only got that. So let's fly it out the door. Come on. Okay, hang on. Let's just manoeuvre it a bit more. I'll tell you what, flying out the door, it looks easier on the screen. No, I'm just going to line myself up out there. It doesn't matter how long this takes to get out the door. As you can see. Come on. Right. I'll bring that down a little bit as well. Okay, that's pretty central, isn't it? Now what tends to happen as I fly it towards that one, it's gone straight out the door. I was about to say it usually goes up and over, but anyway, it's gone out. So we're just going to send it out, up to the mound, as I call it. Yeah, only need to go up there. There's a car up there already, I think. Oh no, maybe it's not, it's a bush. Okay, so this is the best bit about the Mini 5 Pro. And you're going to see what I mean in a minute. When it comes in, it will come something up on the screen. Now, it didn't come up on the Lito X1. If I was doing a Mini 4 Pro, it would come back, but it would want to land on the roof. But the Mini 5 Pro, it will come in, and it will come in and turn itself around and land, usually right on the spot. So you can see now it's lining itself up, it's coming down. Right, I can see a bush out there. Oh no. Okay, so it's saying complex environment in the head. So I would say C2. Just make sure I get the right one. Okay. So it's coming in. Now, I didn't see this on the Lito X1. This is why I'm trying out this test. Because I know the Mini 5 Pro can cope with this. And I mean, look at that, eh? That's what I class amazing bit of engineering, how it can do that. Because I'm not doing anything, just letting it land, and it's going to land where it took off from. Right, so that obviously passed its test. Now we're going to do the changeover now to the Lito X1. So, you know, I'm going to try it again. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try Nifty then. Okay, And also we'll just check the, yeah, they're all on. Okay, auto take off. Right. Okay. Right, come on Nifty, let's see if you can do your business. Right, so Nifty is the one. Okay, and now we're going to try, because it went straight out that time, which is interesting, wasn't it? Okay, so it's gone out. It's gone out for what it was doing. So that second one was a better test, guys, I must say. I'll just raise it up a little bit more. So fingers crossed, with Nifty, it might work. We'll see. Okay. Right, let's have a look on this. I don't know what I've just done that for. I want to see it coming in first, because there is a little bush there that might interfere with it. I don't know. Last time it actually come down in front of it, which is good. But this time it's coming down a little bit, because I went out lower this time. Okay, it's coming. I can see it. I can see it up there. It's dropping down. It's dropping down again. It's coming through. Now it's stuck at the... Let's see if I can push that forward. Now, I know what's going to happen. If I'm going to press the C2 button and just see if that makes any difference. No, because I know if I mess about with it now, it's just going to come out of return to home. Right, a little bit of bonus footage, guys. I want to try out, I can't remember if I tried out the Neo 2. I'm not expecting a lot with the Neo 2, to be honest. So I'm just going to go into settings mode. I've got it on bypass, I've got it on Nifty. We've got advanced return to home. So, in a sense, it should work, shouldn't it? We'll see. I'm not going to do a hand launch because I want to do it like the other ones, really. I'll just see what happens. Take off. Okay, so this should have, to be honest, no problem going out the doorway, even my dodgy eyesight. Let's get it up there. I haven't flown this for, God, it's got to be free, but okay, so the home point's updated out there for some reason, so that's not a good sign, is it? Okay, anyway, we're just going to fly it up to the mound. Yeah, I'm not expecting a lot from this. Bit worrying that the home point was out that way, but anyway, hey-ho. Okay, and the signal's a bit pants then. Right, anyway, let's do return to home and see what happens. Now, to be honest, I'm not expecting this little little Neo 2 to come in through the doorways, but, you know, officially it should do. It's interesting where the home point's going to be. I've got a feeling the home point's way out there, because I can't see that line. And looking at it, yeah, that's my own fault. Okay, I'm going to cancel that then. Well, anyway, let's get a drone up in the air. You see what I'm on about in a minute. Right, so home point's actually been recorded there, so that's good. Right, I've got sweat in my eye. Something about living in Spain, it gets a bit sweaty. Okay, let's get it up. So that was good. Home point was actually done in there this time, so that's good. Alright, let's just send it up a little bit higher. It's interesting, with the Neo 2, I'm just looking at the speed, it's very similar speed to my Fighter 2, whereas the Lito X1 and obviously the Mini 5 Pro, they go a lot faster. We're talking about 30 miles per hour in some cases, in normal mode that is. Okay, I'm going to do return to home, and we'll see what happens this time. It could be promising. I just get the sweat out my eye. I'm out early this morning. That's what I try and do. I try and get out early, or obviously later in the evening. Let's see how it's doing. Okay, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's looking like it's going to land on the roof, which, you know, to be honest, is very similar to the Mini 4 Pro. Yeah, it's landing on the roof. So, you know, worth a go, wasn't it? And yeah, you thought I ain't going. Thank you. That didn't work, did it? Worth a go. And I've got a bird in the house. So, interesting test, guys, wasn't it? Because I wanted to see if the Lito X1 would come through that door. And on the second test, it did, sort of. Even though it needed a bit of pushing, but obviously, I think the return to home, it must have cancelled itself. And I noticed another thing I'd done wrong as well. I pressed the C2 button, not realising that on the... I haven't looked at the setup I'm on about on the buttons. It put it into portrait mode, even though that shouldn't have made any difference to it at all. But I haven't got time to go and do another test. I will come out another time. I think what I'll do, I'll come out in the evening when it's a little bit lighter and use the LiDAR, see if that works. But obviously, the Nifty helped on that one. And I've thrown in a bit of a bonus, because I can't remember. I've done so many tests now, I can't remember if I did the Neo 2. Anyway, it didn't, did it? It's going to land on the roof. So, hey-oh. I mean, I enjoyed doing that. That was an interesting test, because you do wonder, it'd be fantastic if the Lito X1 would compete with the Neo, no, the Mini 5 Pro. Because I've had people ask me about, oh, Shaun, can you do a comparison with the Mini 5 Pro and the Lito X1? And to be quite honest, I'm going to do one, but I think we all know straight away the Mini 5 Pro, that's why it's called a Pro, isn't it? But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. That's the main thing. Give it a like, give it a dislike. Don't really care, really. But as always, I'm going to catch you in another video, Ray. Sooner!